Hello everyone, Chris here, and today in this lesson I thought I would talk about a technique that some people call the Capirote Golpe, okay? So this technique is just, golpe means hit, and so in flamenco guitar we're talking about a hit to the surface of the guitar somehow. We can do some golpes here, we can do golpes on the top of the guitar in a bunch of manners. But this one, for some reason, has been called the capirote. I've heard multiple stories about where it comes from. I'm not going to even talk about that, okay? So, basically what we're doing is we're hitting the top of the guitar before preceding going through the strings, okay? So it's on a down strum that we hit the top of the guitar, and generally you hit it with your nail, so you get this loud click before you strum, and it sounds simultaneous because you hit it as you're going through and it sounds like boom, okay? So first of all, we got to talk about how you want to hit this. You want to hit more of your nail to get that loud click, less of your knuckle. However, I do, like for me, you'll get some kind of callus on your first finger or whichever finger. So by the way, I use my first finger to do this technique, but there's a lot of guitars that use their second finger, okay? So ultimately, you can use whatever finger you want. You could use your pinky. I haven't seen anybody doing that, but you could be the first one. So anyway, so a lot of people will use their second finger to do this as they strum through. I can do it. So my first finger is out, but I'm not using it. I'm using my second finger to go like that, okay? I use my first finger generally. So work with this, but basically you got to find this area where you click. Okay? You got to get that. So I'm just extending, like I have my hand. Now in Tai Chi, we would say you hold your hand as if you're holding an egg. You don't want to hold a fist, a tight fist. You're just kind of holding it loose, and then you extend just a little bit. Or with the middle finger. Okay? So you can grab a little bit of the meat of your palm and go from there. Yeah? Or you can go without that. Okay? I generally grab a little bit of the meat. Okay? So just work on that. If you were to flick like that with either finger, you might want to grab a little bit. If you're not going from the thumb, you go from here to get a little bit of punch, a little bit of hit from it, okay? A little bit of golpe, okay? So you go in here, and then you have to continue that hit to go through, to strum through the strings. So basically we're doing this, and then you have to continue the strum. So if we, you know me, I like biomechanics. So generally when we strum, we're doing a twist of the arm. So we have this tiered level of biomechanics. We have the extension of that finger, whichever finger you use, from the finger joint. You're just extending that finger. The guitar is in the way, so it makes that noise. Okay? You're trying to extend it, but you can't. Okay? Does that make sense? Hopefully. And then you have your strum through. Okay? By that twisting of your wrist. I have maybe a little bit of extension from the elbow, okay? But primarily it's that extension of the finger and the twist of the wrist, maybe a little bit of extension at the elbow to accomplish that. So just work on getting this sound and then punch through with that twist of the wrist. So again, I do want to warn you, pretty much every student I've had has said, ow, this hurts. So you're hitting, so generally our cuticles are pretty, sensitive. And we are hitting through that and maybe scraping up the top of our finger right here, okay? Let's see if my hand will get there. So the top of our finger, like right there, kind of gets a little scraped up. You will eventually, I have a callus there, but I like I said, I don't use my second finger for this technique, and I was doing it So once you know how to do it on one finger, and it doesn't feel great, like I can tell it's scraping my finger, but it's okay. It's just pain. It's not injury, okay? So just work through that pain. It's another pain that will help inform your artistic, you can have that face of agony, and really mean it. It's actually coming from someplace genuine. You're not faking it. So, hey, that's great. It's win-win, right? So just work on that, work on this hit here, and then follow through. And of course, then you can do all these cool chords, all those flamenco chords with it, and really help push those and really punch them through. Once you can do this, you're going to want to do this on all your chords, and you're going to sound like mega flamenco, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. I am available for questions, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I will put my contact information in the description below. Check that out. I have lots of other videos and lots of other content. If you have anything you want me to address, please let me know in the description below. Or even better yet, send me an email. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me, fastest way, and I always get back to everybody, okay? So just let me know what I can help you with. I'm here for you. Enjoy your flamenco guitar journey. Have a great day. Get to practicing, and don't get this too painful, yeah? Even though you want to have that pained look on your face when you play the flamenco guitar, still, if you do it too much, then you'll have to take a couple of days off of practice, and you don't want that. So, maybe kind of count the reps in your head and go, okay, around 20, 30, whatever, it starts getting sore, and so I better cut that out. And eventually you'll build up where you can just do it, and it's not going to be a big deal, okay? So thanks so much. Have a great day. Wishing you all the best, all the success in the world in your guitar playing and in your life. Bye-bye.